In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Temu app if it is not responding or if it keeps on crashing. So if you can't do your normal shopping because the app is not opening, then all you need to do is to go to settings, and then from here look for apps, and my apps option is here. Then tap on manage apps, and then go ahead and scroll down until you get to Temu app, and here it is. Tap on it to open. Now, one of the reasons why your app is misbehaving is because of cache or data that has accumulated on your app. So if you go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data that has been stored. Now, these are files that are normally stored to enhance your experience when you are using this app. However, when they accumulate, they may cause your app to misbehave. So you want to go ahead and clear them, and you can do so using the clear option, which is here. Then go ahead and tap on clear cache. Then tap on OK. And from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and try opening the app again and see if it works well. By doing this, your app should be good to go. But should you still experience any problem, then you may want to take the next step, which is going to Play Store, and then look for your app. And from here, look for any update if it is available. If you see update here, go ahead and update it to the latest version and then open it. By this time round, it should open and you should be able to transact as usual. However, should you still find any challenge, now you may want to go ahead and delete your app by uninstalling it. Then go back to Play Store and install it afresh. At this time round, your app now should work as usual. So by using any of these three methods, you should be able to troubleshoot your Temu app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.